See if I'm recording. I just changed from rear view to front view. See how, show y'all they finally got the bridge done. We'll test it out and drive across it. Oh Lord, like it's a big deal. Shoot, put my seatbelt on. Young man, put that seatbelt on before you pull out. Well, I was pulling down my driveway. So, this road was closed for almost a year. And they finally got this so-called bridge. It's not a bridge, it's a culvert fixed. Took them almost a year to fix a little old thing. Oh Lord. Seems like the older I get, the later I get going every morning. I can really feel it. Sure can. You know what? This dash cam will do so much stuff. I've never really got down and read the book on it, but there's a lot of things it'll do. I wished it would record front and back at the same time. That's kind of what I wished I had. A rear and front facing camera. And wouldn't that be wild? Do a split screen and I do the front facing camera on the left and the rear facing camera on the right. That'd be crazy. Make a video like that. I'm not good at video editing, so I probably have to get somebody to show me how to do that. I can't even get my live stream to work unless I use my phone. Well, I got it to work the other morning, other night, but I didn't have any sound, and I don't know why. My OBS software, it said the mic was working, so I don't know. You know, I had that working at one time with my old computer, and then when I got this new computer about a year ago, I didn't download it till here recently, and I'm having problems with it. So, oh yeah, they got the cones up. They don't have it striped yet. See how they got it fixed? It's not a bit different than it was before they fixed it. Just drive across it. Ain't that crazy? Took them a whole year to do that almost. Let's see, May would have been a year. Well, they're still not done. They got to stripe it. That's what it is. Oh, I took some, I know what it is. I took some scrap aluminum I had, 30 pounds or something like that. And then I had just some stuff. I had a trash can full of aluminum extruded pieces, like little lightweight stuff, like window screens and stuff I'd thrown in the bucket over the course of the time I've lived there. And then I had what I have, 5 pounds of copper. Well, anyway, it comes like almost 15 bucks. Well, anytime you take copper in now, there's a 6-day waiting period on getting your money. I think that's stupid. I mean, I could see it if somebody brought in 300 or 400 pounds of freaking copper wire. It looked like they might have stole it somewhere, but this was 5 pounds of scrap copper wire and little short pieces of copper pipe. That was mine. He said, I said, well, that's kind of dumb. He said, yeah, I know, but he said, that's the law. So I got to go to the dentist this morning and get this bottom. I'm getting my bottoms. So I'm gonna run down here and pick up my little $6 and something check. We'll pay. I'll pay for part of my gas down here. So, but I mean, I think that's stupid. I mean, like I said, I could see if it was a lot of copper and it was wire, and people, you know, were bad about going in, stealing it out of places and selling it scrap. But I mean, they ought to have a rule on that. You know, say 10 pounds or more, you gotta weigh, or 20 pounds. You know, it's just you know, the government's got too much control over everything. That's a fact. That's just another law they passed. It's just a bullshit. You know, like most of their laws they pass. Every day they're passing laws in this country. Every day we lose a little bit of freedom. There goes the 2020 F-150, and I do not like the front end of that. So, oh well. Don't have a Ford no more. I like the Ford trucks, but man, try working on one of them. Holy. Talk about no room to work on anything. It's almost time for an oil change in this, and I'm going to start doing my own oil change because they've got so dang expensive down there. It's like $42 to get your oil change, and I can change it at home for about $20. So I'll save that $20. I got a garage and a jack. I mean, why wouldn't I? Ain't nothing to it. So I remember when I was a kid, the people used to take their old oil, they'd take drums of it, like 50-gallon drums, and spread it on rock roads to keep the dust down. Well, they don't allow that crap no more. The EPA's got their hand in that, which I could probably see that as being bad, but at the time it didn't seem like it was bad, you know. And it may not be bad, who knows, it might be something they made up, like they do everything else. So, anyway, my videos are sporadic. I don't never know what I'm going to do from one day to the next, or if I'm going to make a video, or I don't get paid anything for it. I don't know why. I do it because I like to do it. But it sure would be nice to be making money off of the videos, but you got to be popular and you got to have good content. So, which I don't have. There's the Camo Kitchen, whatever that is. I've never ate there. There's Ace Hardware. I love that store there. I just like to go in there and look around. They got a lot of unique items that they don't have at other places. Something I really want to buy. I want to buy me a wireless angle grinder, or a battery powered angle grinder. Well, just a quick reminder on my messages saying my payment's coming out for my phone bill. So, but I want more away for you, with or without you, with or without you. Oh, I can't live. That's you too on the radio. With or without you. I can't sing it. It's fun trying. I love to do karaoke. I used to get tanked up and sing karaoke. It was fun. You know, drinking back a long time ago. It was fun. I'm gonna go in here and pick up my big check. I'm a rich man today. Shut this down.